Morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and our topic of discussion is rational number. Here in this question we have to express the given rational number 19 over minus 5 with the numerator minus 38 and the denominator 20. Here we see that the given numerator is 19 and the required numerator is minus 38. So we have to convert 19 to minus 38. So first of all we will think that how the 19 will convert to 38. So if you multiply 19 by 2 by counting the table of 19, 19 ones are 19, 19 to the 38, then we will get the value, numerical value 38. But we have to write in the negative way, so I will have to multiply with not 2 but minus 2. So see the 19 over minus 5. Now I will multiply this one with minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, then let's see what happens. 19 multiply minus 2, it will become minus 38, and minus 5 multiply minus 2, it will become plus 10. So our answer is minus 38 by 10. Now the required numerator minus 38 is there. So it solved the question. Now in the second part we are saying that the denominator should be 20. Now the given denominator is minus 5 and the required denominator is 20. Now by which value I should multiply the denominator so that I get the answer 20. In the denominator there is 5. 5 with multiply by 4, then we will get 20. But we need plus 20. Therefore I will have to multiply with minus 4. Up and side. 19 multiply minus 4, that is minus 76, and minus into minus, that is plus 20. So the answer is minus 76 over 20. As you see, what the required denominator we need, that is here. So the answer is there. Student, in this question you will see that we have to express this rational number minus 192 over 240 with the numerator 96 and the numerator minus 32. So let's go for the first part where the numerator should be reduced to 96. The numerator is there minus 192. So if we see the numerical value, 192 is greater than 96. Therefore we have to lessen the value 192 so that it become 96. So for the lessen any value in the mathematics, we have two operations, subtraction and division. Here we will apply division because we know in the equivalent fraction, if we multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number, then the rational number becomes same. And if we divide the numerator and the denominator in the rational number with the same number, then their value is same. Now we will have to divide 192 by some number so that it may reduce to 96. So what is that number? The question is by which number we should it divide. Here, how will you find that number? For that, the numerator, the given numerator is 192 and the required numerator is 96. We will divide these greater numerator with the smaller numerator. When I divide 192 by 96, then I got my answer 2. So this is my operating number by which I have to divide the numerator and the denominator. So first of all 192 divided by 240. Now we have to divide by 2. Divide. In the bracket I will write. Now I have to convert the numerator into positive value. So I will divide by -2 and -2. Now when negative and negative are divided, then the answer is in positive term. 192 divided by 2, that is 96. And 240 divided by 2, that is 120. Because the one negative symbol is there, therefore in the answer negative symbol will be in the denominator. Here in the second part we have to convert the numerator to -32. So we have to reduce the numerator. So as per the first question, we will divide the given numerator with the required numerator. So I will divide 192 by 32. When I divide, I get the answer 6 as per this rough work. Okay, so the required number is there by which I have to divide, that is 6. But I have not to change the symbol of numerator. This is negative and the answer is also negative, so I will divide by +1. Now when I divide 192 by 6, then my answer will be -32, and if I divide 240 by 6, then my answer will be 40.